how to search and add GIFs to text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now in here, open up your text conversation. And then at the bottom here on the left hand side, tap on the add button. Then select GIFs, tap on it. Now in here you can use the search box to search for your favorite GIFs. So here I can key in puppy eyes. Okay, so then scroll down the list here and select your image. So let's say this one. And then at the top here you can tap on the back key, or you can go down and simply tap on the back, and then in here in the text caption you can type in your text. And then tap on the send button. Okay, so that's how you can search and add in the GIFs animation to your text messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.